Uh, Good afternoon, everybody. Today I will explain how to make off-heading alarm test on the Autopilot Yokogawa PT900. First of all, we need to go to menu. On the next screen, we need to go to setting, and the last step, alert. On this screen, for testing off-heading alarm, we need to choose minimum alert limit angle and minimum detection time. The minimum, what can we choose? This is only 2 degrees. Same for time, only 2 seconds. After that, we need to go home. No have any save button. When we choose this, our course need to change. Now we have 276, we need to change course more than 2 degrees. For example, I will make 284. In 2 seconds, if alarm will not come, something going wrong. But sometimes have delay, need to wait more time. I will put pause and I will show you when alarm will come. So, past about 2 minutes, now we have a warning. We can go to the warning menu and we can check here off-heading. That means our off-heading alarm working correct. We will push acknowledge, alarm gone. Go home. Thank you everybody for watching. Bye bye.